This video covers isolation protocols for MDS-E/EH series drive units used in M800/M80 CNC systems. Remember that these procedures involve high voltage and require following proper lockout/tagout procedures. The system architecture connects the NC control to the drive units via an optical daisy chain. A safety note: the optical loop is the system heartbeat, and any break requires both software and hardware reconfiguration. To begin, you must gain administrative access. Follow these steps to access maintenance mode. Press the hard key, then select the soft key for PSSWD input. Enter the password MPARA and press input, then select the soft key PARAM. Scenario A is global system isolation. Step 1 is software lockdown. Set param 2018 value from 0 to 1 and param 3024 value from 1 to 0 applied to all axes. Step 2 is physical disconnect. Remove the fiber optic cable from the control unit. Scenario B is single servo drive isolation. The software assignment procedure is to access parameter 2018 and change the value from 0 to 1 only for the target axis. For multi-axis drive units, set parameter 2018 to 1 for all axes controlled by that unit. For multi-axis drives, software parameters are insufficient. You must also configure the drive logic using the dip switches for hardware lockout. Turn the switch ON or UP for the specific axis you are disabling. The optical bypass procedure for scenario B involves powering off the main breaker and unplugging the fiber optic cable from the disabled drive. Bridge the connection by linking the incoming cable from the previous drive to the next active one to close the loop. Scenario C is spindle isolation. The problem is that the power supply communicates via the spindle drive. Disabling the spindle breaks the communication. The solution is to migrate the power supply's communication logic to a functioning servo drive. The first step of parameter migration is to disable the spindle output by setting param 3024 out from 1 to 0. Then, transfer the spindle param 13032 value to servo param 2236. Finally, clear the source by changing param 13032 to end in 00. For example, to move CV logic to the x-axis, set the active spindle value to the x-axis servo, and then set the spindle value to 0000. The NC control will now read power supply status via the x-axis servo. The next step is rerouting communication with CN4. Power off the machine. Disconnect the metal SH21 cable on the CV unit from the spindle drive and connect it to the CN4 port on the target servo drive configured in SV036. The final step for optical isolation is the optical bypass. Remove the fiber optic cable from the spindle and connect the daisy chain to bypass it. Power on the machine. The spindle is disabled, and the CV unit powers the remaining axis. Here is a technical summary and parameter reference. Key parameters are 2018 for servo disable, 3024 for spindle disable, 13032 for spindle CVID, and 2236 for servo CVID. Remember the troubleshooting checklist to ensure proper configuration.